Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ryan. And for today's episode 57, mga must-try drinks by Cheesecake House Milktea. Cheesecake House Milktea is the newest milk tea shop here in Iloilo City. They're located at Carla, Doris Arc Building, McArthur Drive, Barangay Quintin, Salas, Jaro, Iloilo City. They're open every day starting 9 a.m. until 7 p.m. There are other branches in Jaro's Lapaz and very soon in Lapuz. And for delivery details with no minimum orders, for delivery fee of 30 to 50 pesos. Depends on the location. And for full list of menus and delivery details, I'll be providing description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Cheesecake House Milktea. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. At ito na mga nose, yung shoutout portion natin. Mag-shoutout ako ng dalawang tao nag-support sa aking Drinking Nose simula nag-start pa ako until now. Yung first natin i-shoutout, isa pong subscriber sa aking Drinking Nose at solid na ka-nose. Shoutout kay Via May A. Pornel. Hello po kay Ma'am Via May. Thank you so much sa pagnunood ng mga episodes ko. I hope na may natutunan kayo at nag-enjoy kayo sa content ko. Dahil sa inyo, napupush talaga ako to give you the best and also informative vlog episodes. At yung next natin i-shoutout, ito po, solid talaga ng support sa akin all the way. Si Jessalyn, thank you so much for all of your inputs, for all of your suggestions, and most especially, siya din po nag-comfort sa akin nung nawalan ako ng phone during dinagya. Malaking bagay talaga yun sa akin kasi hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. And thank you din sa inyo dalawa for being supportive, for being solid, and also helping me to be inspired, to be motivated, and also to push forwards. Again, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Keep safe mga nose and God bless. Hi there mga nose! So these are all your drinks and cake by Cheesecake House Milktea. They're all their medium size on each of their categories. Magpasalamat muna ako sa Cheesecake House Milktea family for this amazing cake. Hindi ko na-expect, bigyan nila ako ng cake. Speechless ako kasi alam nila yung favorite color ko, which is blue. Lahat po ng bumubuo ng Cheesecake House Milktea, sa barista, sa owners, and also sa inyo ma'am. Thank you so much. Set aside ko lang yung cake, mga nose. Kainin ko to with my family. Another newest milk tea shop here in Iloilo City, most especially sa Quintin, Salas. Pinakamadaming milk tea drinks na taste test ko for my vlog episode. Total of 15 drinks. So let's start. For first product, under cheesecake category, is your Okinawa cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. Very good, we like yung texture for their pearls, very soft, very easy to eat. Tapos when it comes to cheesecake, right on point siya, hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweetness, pero mas lalo siya naging creamy and well-balanced for this drink. Tapos when it comes sa Okinawa tea essence, nandun, very present. Tapos yung na-amaze ako dito, well-balanced yung sugar level. Next product, under cheesecake category, Hokkaido cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. Very distinctive yung cheesecake essence or yung taste. Tapos when it comes to Hokkaido flavor, ito on point yung tea essence for this drink. For next product, under cheesecake category, is your Wintermelon cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. Ito na-feel ko talaga yung creaminess, yung thickness, and also yung lapuyot feel. Well proportioned for its overall ingredients and flavor for this product. For next product, under cheesecake category, this is Taro cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. Ito tama yung balance for its sweetness and flavor for this product when it comes sa Taro thickness, yung cheesecake, and also for its pearls. For next product under cheesecake category, this is Matcha cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. Ito very mild yung downfill for its matcha. Hindi siya super strong, hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweetness, pero it has a very good quality for this product. For next product, under cheesecake category, this is strawberry cheesecake For medium size, 80 pesos. Ito very precise yung sweetness for its strawberry. Was very similar siya for its creaminess and flavor for strawberry yogurt. For next product under cheesecake category, this is salted caramel for medium size, 80 pesos. Ito tama yung balance for its salted flavor and yung caramel essence. Ito nas tama yung combination and balance for this product. For next product under cheesecake category, this is cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. Nandun naman yung tea essence for this product, pero yung sweetness niya, siguro nag-overpower lang siya for my taste, especially sa cheesecake. For next product under cheesecake category, is our Black Forest cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. So first time ko matry yung Black Forest flavor for my taster's vlog. So on point yung sweetness and flavor for its cake. Tapos well-balanced siya for its cheesecake. For next product under cheesecake category, these are cookies and cream cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. Ito mas lalo naging creamy for its texture and flavor. Tapos nalasahan ko talaga yung cookies and cream essence or flavor for this drink. For next product under cheesecake category, these are Hersheys cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. Ito, it has a rich texture for its Hersheys or chocolate essence. Hindi siya nag-overpower for its chocolate and also for its sweetness. The next product under cheesecake category, red velvet cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. Distinctive yung flavor niya when it comes sa red velvet essence and also for its cheesecake. For next product under cheesecake category, these are cappuccino cheesecake for medium size, 80 pesos. Very light yung drink na to. When it comes sa cappuccino or coffee flavor, hindi siya masyadong strong, which is excellent for my taste. And yung sweetness, nasa tama yung balance for this drink. Next product under yogurt series, these are strawberry yogurt for medium size, 75 pesos. Very healthy and very refreshing drink na to. It has a good balance for its yogurt and also for its sweetness for strawberry. For next product under yogurt series, these are green apple yogurt for medium size, 75 pesos. Ito ang ganda ng combination for its flavor and for its sourness for the yogurt and also for green apple. Meron siyang konting hint for its sweetness, very refreshing, very healthy, and also excellent drink. Okay, for rating mga nos, for cheesecake milk tea, I'll give this a 9. And for the rest of their drinks, in each of their categories, I'll give it a perfect 10. Yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for cake and chocolate lovers, I would suggest si Black Forest Cheesecake, si Cookies and Cream Cheesecake, si Hersheys Cheesecake, and also si Red Velvet Cheesecake. Yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for tea essence, I would suggest si Okinawa Cheesecake, si Hokkaido Cheesecake, and also si Wintermelon Cheesecake. Drinks na pwede ko suggest for on-the-go products, I would suggest si Taro Cheesecake, si Matcha Cheesecake, si Strawberry Cheesecake, si Salted Caramel Cheesecake, Cheesecake Milk Tea. Sa mga coffee lovers, I would suggest si Cappuccino Cheesecake. And yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for healthy option, especially for refreshing, yogurt, and also very light drink, I would suggest si Strawberry Yogurt and also si Green Apple Yogurt. Ito na rate ko si Cheesecake ng 9 kasi nag-overpower sa akin yung cheesecake niya or yung sweetness when it comes to this product. But overall, okay naman drink na to when it comes sa quality and also for its texture. Tapos when it comes sa overall drinks nila, ito, naging consistent sila for its gooiness and softness for their pearls. When it comes sa cheesecake nila, ito very smooth yung texture and also for its taste. Mas lalo naging creamy yung drink nila in each of their categories or flavors. Ito, when it comes sa yogurt series nila, ito, na-amaze ako kasi it's very refreshing, very light. Tapos, very distinctive yung flavors nila, which has a superb quality for their drinks. So, yung na-notice ko dito, when it comes sa lids nila, ang cute kasi lahat po sila is pink, especially sa hearts nila. It's very cute and very unique. So, thank you so much sa lahat po bumubuo for Chefty House Milk Tea, especially sa owners and baristas and sa rider, sa pag-assist, sa pag-accommodate, and also sa preparations when it comes to their products for my vlog episode, Drinking Nose. So I hope na hindi po to yung last na taste test ko. And also good job kahit newly opened milk tea shop sila here in Iloilo City. Ito naging consistent sila when it comes sa gooiness and softness for their pearls. Tapos yung cheesecake nila, it has a precise flavor. When it comes sa yogurt nila, ito first time ko matry for my taste test vlog. Ang sarap palang combination for its yogurt and also for its fruit essence. So Cheesecake House Milk Tea has good quality of products, very accommodating baristas and owners, excellent service, budget-friendly, and is certified Green Nose Standards approved. So once again, thank you so much and congratulations to Cheesecake House Milk Tea. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!